Hello everybody, welcome to another video cooking with Kike Matamitos. But this time I'm not gonna be cooking because I am not the best guy for make this dish. I mean they are food that I make better, but this time my wife make it better. But I want to tell you this because my English is better than my wife. When Mexicans has tortillas that start to smelling no good, that start to be passive, we use that tortillas for make dishes like this one, okay, that are very cheap and are used more for breakfast. Okay, like I say, the main ingredient are tortillas. The main ingredient. We need vegetable oil, tomatoes, we need guajillo peppers that give color, smell and flavor. Chile cola de rata, this make it more hot. Garlics and black pepper in powder, just a little bit. And for topping, we're gonna use cream. This is similar to sour cream and cheese. We're gonna use fresh cheese made by my mother-in-law, right, Chayito? So yeah. I'm gonna be recording Chayito because she's expert doing this. Okay, first my wife need to boil water in a pot for make the, let me show you there, the guajillo pepper softer. This is gonna be boiling, and maybe the garlic, the onions, right? I forgot. Yes, we're gonna need like a little piece of onion, right, Chayito?
Yeah.
This is called chilaquiles. It's one of the most popular Mexican dishes that I use it for breakfast. And people do it because they enjoy it and they like it. But this is a food that people learning to do it because they have the problem with the tortillas that are passed. You know, that is edible, it's still edibility, but has another smell, and you need to not make a waste of this food, okay? Okay, so my wife gonna put water there.
I need
What else?
1 table.
1 table?
Yeah.
You're gonna chop what? The tomatoes.
Okay.
See, she's gonna be chopping the tomatoes.
Yeah.
Okay, my wife gonna put the tomatoes there. She just chop it in a half because gonna be boiling there and then gonna be milled. Okay, te lo doy. Yeah, and that guajillo pepper need to very clean it. You need to pick up the seeds because it's not hot. This is not a hot pepper, but the seeds are very hard, so it's better to remove them, most of them. Okay, just how my wife is doing it right now. Okay, it's ready? Yeah.
Yeah.
And go with the tomatoes and the water. Gonna be boiling there. Yeah, and that small hot peppers, the small ones are the hottest. You know. Only that. La cebolla, no?
No.
No, not the onion. I told you, my wife is very expert doing this. I am better doing something like spaghettis or fried beans. And I don't know the cooking, but my wife is very good making that. I mean, it's about you need to know the portions and the feeling and the knowledge how to balance all the ingredients. It's a simple food, yes, but look at what my wife gonna do now. She gonna cut the passed tortillas, because if you have good tortillas like this, it's better to use it for another dish. Anyway, if you like chilaquiles, you can use fresh tortillas, but the old tortillas can be used for this, for not make a waste, So she's gonna cut it exactly in that part. So for me, this dish is similar, like I don't know how to say it. Maybe some Italian, but instead of pasta, it's just tortillas, chopper tortillas, like that. And told you, chilaquiles is very popular in my state, and I think in the world, Mexico, because it's a simple food, and most of the time
It's
use
a
it for
popular-
not discard tortillas.
A popular.
Also, in restaurants, Chayito, this is a very profitable, yeah, profitable
I need
food. Oil. You're gonna need oil in that little pan. Oh, I'm sorry.
Much.
Oil there. And now what? What is the next, Chayito? And what Pipucho think about this? Ok. Entonces las pones allá aparte, ¿por aquí, Chayito? Ah, for fry it.
Ajá.
Well, but why? Ah, yeah. She needs to put more tortillas, okay?
En lo que se calienta la tortilla.
Because the oil need to be very hot before put the chopped tortillas there. Okay, bitches, look at that. The tomatoes are almost ready. Okay, my wife touched it. ¿Están sentirse suaves?
Yeah.
You need to feel it like a softer for know that it's ready. Yeah. Look at the technique on my wife. She put a little bit of tortilla. When she see that the tortilla do that bubbles in the oil, means that it's ready. So she's gonna put tortillas there. I'm gonna fry it. Okay, look at that. It's very simple. You need to fry the tortillas because need to be harder. Because if you don't fry the tortillas, they are softer. They're gonna suck all the humidity very easily and gonna be like a smash it, tortillas like a mass, like something that the babies eat. I don't know. That is why you fry it. Also, Chayito, some people fry the pasta, right? For make it something similar, for not make the pasta so hard. But we use tortillas instead of pasta. I think the Italians inspired this combination, because tomatoes.
It needs chain.
Shane or
Color.
chang? Need to change the color.
Color.
Okay, well she need to see that the tortillas change the color. Okay, but like I told you, I think Italians take the inspiration of this dish because tortillas exist in Mexico before the Spanish come here, same as tomatoes, and tomatoes go to Europe after the Spanish colonization in Mexico. So I think this dish is very ancient, very old dish. But I'm not sure. Maybe they use animal fat for fry it or something. And it's inspired of the most common dish in Italy, that is pasta. That is mix the pasta with tomatoes, but
Yes, sir.
inspired of tortillas, right?
Yes, sir.
You understand? Okay, she gonna turn off because they are ready. Yeah, they are ready. So she turn off the fire. Vas a esperar que esté un poquito frío, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
Need to wait to be a little bit less hot or cold. I don't know how to say it.
Me dan ganas de hacerlos en la estufa para no
Sí.
refrigerar.
Okay, I think my wife. We using electricity, mix it with gas because gas is getting expensive here. But okay, we are recording a video. We need to hurry up, so maybe it's good idea to put gas, right, Chayito?
The gas is expensive.
Expensive here, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now it changed to gas for hurry up with this.
With
Okay. What, Chayito? Okay. ¿Les falta todavía?
Sí.
Okay. Okay, when you see that color, they are ready. Need to be like a crunchy. You understand? Brown color, whatever. And she's gonna do the same with all the tortillas pieces. Okay. Okay, people, look at this. You know that it's a good tortilla when you warm or fry the tortilla and you see something like this, like a teeny pieces that open or like a bubbles that open like this. Bad tortillas never have like these bubbles. You understand? I mean, we call it cara. I mean, tortillas has cara. That means that has a face. It's a have a thin face and a heavy one. Okay, that are the good tortillas. That means that are made with real. That means that they are made with real corn, you know, and not with another ingredients that make it cheaper and bad quality. Okay, put attention to that. Yes, also this can be like a snack. You put salsa wherever you want. Tortilla chips. Yes, you can use it or make a more decent meal, you know, for breakfast.
Dile que esa tortilla la compramos un día.
She almost finished it, and we have like a little mountain of tortilla chips. But Chayito, you are eating them. Chayito's eating the tortilla chips too.
I have angry.
She's hungry. She's angry because she's hungry.
Hungry.
Okay, now Chayito is putting the boiled tomatoes there and the rest of the ingredients to be milled. ¿Cómo se llama licuadora en inglés? ¿Cómo se dice? I don't know how to say licuadora, but it's this device, you know, that go here. Need to be milled there. What else you gonna put there? Okay, a piece of onion, fresh onion, okay? Check it that it was not boiled. Ni los ajos, ¿verdad? And 3 garlics, okay? Look at that. 3 garlics there, and a little bit of black pepper in powder. Just there. That is all, and that's gonna be milled. Almost forget something very important. Salt, dude. Yes, need to be salty. Just how you like. Okay, and now my good wife. Millet, very millet. Okay, the ingredients are millet. Like you can see, we have only 2 ingredients now: the tortilla chips and the salsa. And for that, my wife gonna need a bigger pan. Okay, need to put it there. And ¿qué vas a hacer ahora, Chaito? She's gonna put the oil there too. You can use the oil that you use it for fried the tortilla chips that has you know, the tortilla flavor. ¿Cuál es lo que sigue? Tú avánzale rápido, no me te quedes pensando. Okay, and we need to wait that oil get hot again. Right? Okay, it's ready. She put first the salsa. Like you can see, she put first the salsa. Primero la salsa, ¿verdad, Chaito?
Yeah.
¿Y cuándo le echas las tortillas?
Ya que esté sazonada.
Ya que esté hierba. Okay, yeah. She's gonna fry it the salsa. And when it's ready, she's gonna put the tortilla chips there. Sometimes need more oil, so you can put a little bit more. Okay, that is what I say. It's something about the experience, about the texture and the feeling. She knows it very well how to do it. You see? Está caliente. No. Okay, my wife, give me a little bit because I need to try it. Creo que está muy bueno. Yo creo que no le falta sal porque el queso es salado. I say that not need more salt because also we're gonna put cheese there, and usually the cheese is salty. Okay?
It's hot.
It's hot, but very, very good. For my wife, the texture of the salsa is ready. So the next step is that you need to put the tortilla chips there. Okay, with some tortilla chips that are more, thin, you need to put in there, but and turn it off. ¿Vas a apagarle el fuego?
Sí.
And turn the fire off. So not gonna be like I don't know how to say it, like so millet, It's hard to me to explain you, but I mean, we don't want a baby food, okay? We need to feel the tortillas there. That's gonna be soft now because gonna be humidity, yes, but not like a baby food, like a papilla, like a smashed tortillas, something like that. That is how we make chilaquiles, simple like that. So you can say that chilaquiles are almost ready. Chayito,
¿Mande?
¿están casi listos?
Ya casi, ajá. Ya falta poquito.
Almost ready. Use a little bit
Ya casi.
more of time. You need to feel it. You need to have experience with this. You need to make it again and again to find out which texture is better for you. Okay? And calculate the ingredients, the humidity, according with the el grosor de la tortilla. I don't know how to say it. The tortilla. I don't know how to say it. I mean, big tortillas need more time, more juicy, but thin tortillas need less, obviously. Okay, now they are ready. Right, my chula?
Yeah.
As you just put it there in a dish, like that. And that's the simple chilaquiles. Delicious.
Ahí.
And then she's gonna put the other ingredients that are just for give it extra flavor, topic, and everything. The topping, Okay, she's gonna use like a cream. It's similar. This is like a sour cream. I'm not sure how to find it in USA or other countries, but it's just something that comes from milk. Okay, and we call it crema. It's cream.
Yo te grabo, tú te los preparas.
No, tú sírvelos como tú los haces. Okay. You. My wife wants that I prepare myself, but I think she do it better because she make a lot more it's very common. This is one of my, I think every time I do live streams playing video games and she give me food, most of the time are chilaquiles, because tortillas is simple. We almost have all ingredients all the time, fresh cheese, but also you can use mature cheese, another cheese there. And there are many variations. There's some people that put chicken with more complex ingredients, put beans, put pork, beef, and just little chopped onions there. And simple like that. That are chilaquiles. Okay, the other camera, the battery dies. So this is very delicious. One of my favorite food. The mix of onions, cheese, cream, tortilla chips, and the salsa. It's like magic, dude. And also very cheap and very good. Okay, thank you for watching this, people. This camera is a little bit shitty with low light. And thank you for watching this.